Kublai pi baro syaga tup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan mentara singi kilong. Bensau jur armut ki Samla puli kentai nak jing penra kamaruti. Sedang shongshit ke jingjit kertong MDC HJHADC. Kiar biang ki pulit ribhoi surok bantalasi yaki kali. Ban Rakhir National Unity Day ke Meghalaya Haraj Bhavan. Bat mentang nyapai syaki Khubor ki bakambanya. Arngut ki Samla puli kentai ke North Eastern Hill University NEHU ka Stephanie Shadap ka bana ka Shillong mau kendeng bat ka dari tengen na Shillong Borkhat East Jantia Hills. Kila mensau jur na kajing tenra ka kali Maruti ka balanya ada uparmen M Sangma security guard ubala shem baula debdi kian. Kani kajing tenra kali beishir kay kala jia hakmat ka gate number 2 hakapor nyau shiteng menmit khat nyau tarik Naiwieng. Uparmen M Sangma ula penher stat ya kani ka kali bat ula tenra yakini ki arngut ki Samla puli nadin bat kila sit bun put. Dakit marmar yakini arngut ki Samla bala mensau jur sya Shillong Civil Hospital hadin lara ano yaki sya Nazareth Hospital lajam kra ban yo yaki jing sumar bakambiang. Mentah kini ki Samla ki don high intensive care unit. Kibahing hasam jong kini ki Samla puli kila kendet da kajing sngosi ketang ya kani kajing ja. Kini ki Samla kidang mi na NEHU library ban penkre ya ki examin jong ki. Ukini kadari tengen ulaya thu ba kani ka persa jong kalong ka babit baha ha kijing puli jong ka. Bat kibahing hasam kidon kajing kermen ka bakraw ya kalawe jong ka. Ki pulit kilara ya uparmen M Sangma ban tes ya bat la shem baula deb di kiat haba unya ya kani ka kali. Ki pulit ka umshing mau kenro kila bat no ya kani ka Maruti 800 ML Not Sanje Sau Khandai Iway Pra ha police station. Ki jing tokit ba bania kidang ya chaprang.
Yung kayong kasem ro isno dia kwil nanti bakan yelam hakata modaka jenang kayong start yaki para yaki men jongka nai penban kawan rak da kum kan dia ban kajing dia ibarat idetan kinorep putra sito mai ngasem kenji opor ban lik sejuai balik Shillong pendap pendiang nam taki pun tanam mentaban bio ijing start ndela de kalong hagen yang bedak kajiduk cingkermen ka bakraw kemiler ke suyam pindak song ke suyam bay
Anos na mamay?
Arkwes nem dang ilig mastat dang fasir ting marang mendak keldi ke chemistry ni jeng yo untuk ngarang mendak keldi bahaya kata bedak mendak snem ngali master ini banyak di baterai nak kliang ni ngisius ngeu kumtan ban ong ban tip bahang pat tip ngisius ngeu yak siu tu kana ong baterai ni hui lai apa bede wa kanir nang kliang ngi modang irang bun kam kemudian ban pej gini ni ke bapang ke besitom impat pej jing mutan ya ban ong le kendu yaki le pej auto briu le li ekren ni yum da matara yang kini kisni ban wan sa lada kami obor ki ngila bele le kendu itu ki bor bahalor kumno jadi apa pihak lada perkat pihak jing stu briu ta kata ke ban kong sa kapan kong beli hak jing bi pate lada kemik pa ke babi pate lada kidawaro kakak dum ke jing bi ada dan bagi irab ro ikmen ndai akum kan jing jia namar kumbaong itu bak friend menai irang ba ro ke jing jia ke dai hapo compound je ke ni hui ni sngo borom ngi ke jing kit kia dadu ki no ilam je ke ni hu ki bor bahalor adu bistiran ngi kit kia da bang isu sngo longo ba ka area jong ka ni hu ngathara nga kat ka to jing accident de ka speed hang tu la kluk kan poi bisa kan rupon nyok tau rada hak je ka private ka speed nyok rupon nyok tau ta nah sutu ni kajing kerpat nak clear bahalor ter tam nak liang kibor beri pej ya kini hu makin wat kilat kelentin nang mata kajing mentoy jong kini kena tam he apang bayo sumar suker kat bekila nai haba khadu tala kaliang kejing ikan wan hakik mikpa la delong sakat balong ro ikmik pa mur ki babi bepli la dam don ngirap la dam don bisne gila kelek mno ki hapun sinu ni opor kin nle yele ya kata nle mi sitay Tangi ke Shillong ki itu. Jadi mar kata kadau te tang ke jing sin ailem ke jungki, tang ke jing peniak bastat ke jungki, kermen ni ba di bahi ngasem le se kini obor kini musim. Bat dia ke kermen hiro. Balang ba ke jing rawai lem ke jing trelang ke jungki mo bakan koi. Lalu ni don hapling ke jing kermen do ni jing nanti bakan koi. Ngade planning kong tau. Planning kong tau. Ngade pasan yang dari dengan.
Kibabun ki parti kila Shongshet Bha menta banjid iki kertong na kabenta ke election MDC Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council GHEDC kabala khmi lenti banlong haki benai rempang ne leber jong usnam banwan. Na kaliang working president kan National People's Party Marcus and Marak ulayat hu baka parti kala yat shakman banjid kham kloi no iki kertong khnang ba kinla ban sedang no ya ka jingalap election. Ulayat hu hadin ba kilayo pediang ya katup kerteng bapura kin sapha syaka state committee bat syaka national committee ban yo ya kajing menjur da kajing temu ban pendep ya kani kakam baro hapo katayo baar jong ubenai no pra.
For GHDC elections, we have not started the campaign as such. The process for selecting the candidate is still on. In my first notification as an election committee for NPP, we had given the date for 14th November as last date for submission. But so many requests came in, and after hearing them, I have extended the time of last date of submission for party sponsorship is now November 30th. So only after that we'll be able to update anything. And based on the applications constituency wise, we'll be having a series of meeting in the election committee. Election committee will be consulting the district committees and to the block committees as well. We should be able to complete the process by second week of December. Government has also done so many things for the district councils. As you are aware, the issues which were, disturbing functioning of the district councils were resolved very recently by Honorable Chief Minister by announcing and also by constituting a committees and subcommittees, and through them everything has been resolved, and now the functioning of the district council has resumed, and then payment also has already started. Very recently, when Honorable Chief Minister was there in Garo Hills, the employees went to Honorable Chief Minister and they have expressed their gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister for releasing 1 year's salary and also the monthly salary of November.
Ki pulit karib hoy haka jingalam UVS Rathor SSP rengkat bat ki weipat ki he pulit bat langrut ki lahir biang ban penlong ya ka jing talasi ya ki kali haka surok ba kabadon haka shnong umnget ribhoy district. Kani ka jing beteng ban talasi kalong ban wanra ka jing shngan haka ni ka surok ba bat bante ala kamru ya ki brew ki ba penken ya ki kendon an kat ba kidangnya ya ki kali. Hakani kajing talasi lasan ranlang da UO Masar Additional SP u Rubul Ali Traffic in Charge Nongpot Traffic Branch u K Islam OC Umsning Police Station bat kiway ki pulit. Hakani kajing talasi ki pulit kilalap pun kinongnya akali ki badang penkhen ki kendon an da kabanya hapadeng kajing buat kiat batnya klem pendon kam ya usit bel bat kamtam kajing yat ki trok nagi benta syapang kamon jong kasurok ba rong lin hakajaka bakin yad nakaliang kadiang jong kasurok. Hakani kajing talasi ki pulit amtang bakiladan kuna yakinongnya ki bapen kenan henrei kilahi kairu yakinong let nongwan kumno ban pendon kam ya usid bel. Kila kentu baro arngut ki basyong hakmat ki de ban pendon kam ya ki seat belt ban lat na kanu kajing bensaw habaja kanu ka aksiden. Haka weipat kajing ja katba ki pulit kidang penlong ya kajing talasi lawan ka wei ka kali ka badon ya registration number AS25C4525 kabala pendait da usilencer bas sawa jam la pensange bat phalau no ya uni usilencer La talasiru ikikot kisla beralap penban bagi kot kisla jong kane kekali Kim Long Shu. Markum tahi kan bagi pulit kidang beteng ya kejing talasi kane kekali kalahir no bak na kate kejaka ban lait na kejing syak dan guna. Ki pulit kila yo ban batang yu number plate jong kane kekali.
आगे साइड कराओ नया गाड़ी है क्या चक्कर देना Khubor चेक कर दो bisa konde गाड़ी में जाओ साइड करने के बाद ससाज की पार्टी यही है यही पार्टी नहीं है गाड़ी साइड करो इसको साइड कराओ चेक करो गाड़ी के सारे कागज देखो गाड़ी को सर्च करो गाड़ी को सर्च करो ठीक से तो बताइए हाँ अब लगाइए तो हमने तुम्हारा वही ड्राइवर बाबू यार तो आपने बोल दिया खोलिए पास के लिए ढंग से लगाओ सीट बेल्ट लगाना है तो
Jylla Meghalaya kala rakhi ya kasngi te songkari Rashtriya Ekta Diwaw National Unity Day Haraj Bhavan haga khatpra tarik Naiwieng 2000 bala shimbanta da ulat ke Jylla CH Vijaya Shankar rengkat ka kenhun pulit ke Jylla ki pulit yada khapot Border Security Force ki Central Reserved Police Force CRPF ki nohikai ber ki Samla puli jongkane ke Nongba Hador Bar Hall Shillong kani ke sngi ke deiru ke lungkho sngi kha jong Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel haga jingkran hakane ke sngi ulat ke Jylla CH Vijaya Shankar ulapan pau ke jingsngong melung hakane ke sngi haba uyoi ki pulit ke Jylla ki BSF bat ki CRPF ki nohikai bat ki Samla puli ki balawan ban shimbanta ya kane ke jing rakhe ya ka National Unity Day da ka jingmen bat ka jing rehem men sim ula batai ya ka jing penno bha jong Sardar Patel ban penyateli bat ban te song mlon ya ka ri India ban kiu irat kum ka wei ka borba la ainam ya uni uriu kraw the Iron Man of India Ula kentu yaki officer yaki nong hikai bad yaki kena skul ban let jengo shisen haka jing im jongki yaka patok kabadon hadau lenong Andaman Nicobar hakaba kahima bilat ka set patok yaki riu krau jong ka jinglat duit keri India hakata ka jaka. Ula ongru Dei Usardar Patel ubala kring yaki himas im jong kari India ban snokti ban te kari India ka bakrau. Dei Usardar Patel ubala sandur yaka thamei senshar khadar bat ban penyat yaki kam ki jam daga ba wanra yaka All India Services, Indian Administrative Service IAS, Indian Foreign Service IFS, Indian Police Service IPS, pat ki Central Services ban penyat bed penyat renti yaki kam ki jam paman kasngi. Ula ongru dei nak jing start bat jing shampang jung menteri rang ba du kari Narendra Modi bakani gajing rakhi yakani kasni kala nangpur bat shitrhem hakari baro kawai. Ula yapmat yaki dustur ki riti jong ka Jylla Meghalaya kabala penphu bat pen itnat yakari India deki rong babonjat ki bakran bat pen isai kedar yaka jingya teli jong ka ne kari bakrau. Ula kit bokit ruyang yaki pa ba ka Meghalaya bakin nangkiu irat syaki kerdan ki bahajrong habaro ki liang hakisnam banwan.
Laid the foundation for unity, stability and progress as a nation. His diplomacy, courage and clarity of vision ensured that India remained united as one sovereign nation. It was because of his decisive leadership of Sardar Patel that territories spread across the diverse region, culture and historic came together to form a cohesive nation. Sardar Patel's historic work in national integration is rightly considered one of the greatest political achievements of the 20th century. Understanding that good governance was the backbone of national unity, Sardar Patel established the All India Services, including IAS, IPS, IFS, to serve as instruments of a national cohesion and administrative excellence. He believed that these services would provide continuity, stability and uniformity in governance across the country. His famous words calling the civil services the steel frame of India reflects his deep conviction that a united nation must be supported by a disciplined, dedicated and merit-based administrative system. Today, these institutions continue to uphold his legacy by serving the nation with integrity and commitment. Under the inspiring leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, Rashtriya Ekta Divas is being celebrated across the nation to reaffirm our commitment to Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, a vision of national integration, inclusive growth and collective progress. Our state of Meghalaya is known for its rich culture, diversity and spirit of unity, is deeply embedded in our traditions. The people of Meghalaya have always upheld the very ideals of Sardar Patel. This value of peace, mutual respect and existence. Unity does not mean uniformity. It means celebrating our differences while standing together for a shared purpose, which is the progress of our great nation. Let us commit ourselves to work together for a stronger and more prosperous India. May the spirit of national unity continue to guide us towards peace, development, and a bright future of Meghalaya and for India. Thanks to all of you. Kuble, Mitela, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Badak itu ki Khubor nglapoy sa kapakut tar hadu bangin daya Shambyang Kublai Shibun.